Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I did this burgundy look with somewhat of a nude lip. It's like a nude lip with a remix. So yeah, I guess I was a little bit inspired by my hair. And get a little closer. I gave you guys this look. Look at her. So like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell to be notified every time I make a video. Once I get to 100 subscribers, I'll be doing a giveaway with a first place winner and a second place winner. So there's actually 2 winners. So you guys want to be a part of that. Follow me on all social media, Shiley1990 on all social platforms. And you know, I'm coming on here giving you guys content, trying to be myself, and you know, maybe you guys can teach me something in return while I'm trying to teach you guys how to do something. And I just really appreciate you guys for subscribing to my channel, even coming on here just to watch the video. It means a lot to me. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this look, stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I'm taking my E.L.F. lip exfoliator and clear, and I'm using this to scrub my lips. And I'll be taking a clear lip gloss from Ruby Kisses. Any clear gloss will do. And I just do this to prep my lips before I put any product on top of them so they're nice and soft. And then I take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and Tan Sands, and this is an actual beauty blender. And use the beauty blender to blend that out on my lid. And then I'm going into my Morphe 35M Boss Mood palette, and I'm taking the color FOTD, which is Face of the Day, and I'm picking that up with the E.L.F. blending brush and blending that right above my crease. That's gonna be, I guess, my crease / transition shade. In the crease and above the crease with that FOTD. And you just want to pack that on in windshield wiper motions. And I'm sorry about the light, you guys. I'm gonna have to figure out what times are better to record, because I prefer the natural light versus the ring light. I'm just packing that color on. And I'm going back into my palette, and I'm going to take this Burgundy Shimmer. I'll have the names of all the colors I used in the description box, but I'm packing that on my lid with my finger. And I'm just doing the other eye. And you can pack that on as much as you like. Just be careful. You may have to go back and forth between your 2 middle fingers, because if your middle finger is fatter, it's hard to get in that small part of the inner corner of your eye with that finger. So I'm just taking a cotton ball and some micellar water and using that to get that eyeshadow off my finger, just because it gets messy for me if I don't do this step, and I just wanted to show you guys. So I'm taking a Morphe Precision blending brush, and this is a M507 brush, and I'm taking what did I put? I'll put it in the description box, but this is a darker burgundy shade too, and I just wanted to show you guys the difference in the bottles of the micellar water. The smaller one that was empty, that's the one that I usually use, and I got the other bottle for $10 from Walmart. I'm taking my Wet n Wild Mega Liner in black and doing my eyeliner, just a small wing today. And normally I do my liner and my lashes off camera just because I feel like that'll be a tutorial for another day, just to show you guys a more detailed application and speed up the length of the video as well. Sorry if you guys can hear Abby snoring. This is my Wet n Wild Lash Renegade mascara in Brazen Black. And I'm using that to prep my lashes before I put my falsies on. So I do both eyes. And then I applied my lashes. I applied the Eylure Definition Lashes and the number 126. And those are my favorites. And I applied that with the Dual Lash Glue, the blue one. And I'm just taking a cotton ball with some micellar water on it to get rid of any fallout. And then I take my Pond's Dry Skin Cream and put a dot on my cheeks, my forehead, and my chin. Rub that in to prep my skin. And I just use that as a moisturizer because I am layering foundation on top of this. And then I take my Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. And I just love this because I have huge pores, so I feel like it gives me a smooth finish and an even canvas. I said that like I'm a painting. Mona Lisa. And I'm taking my LA Girl Orange Corrector. And I'm using that to color correct my 5 o'clock shadow and any other blemishes I may have. I only have a few, but still, I would prefer them to not show up through my foundation. And I'm going to take my beauty blender and blend that corrector out. So I'm going to use my Clinique 2-in-1 concealer and foundation in the color 24 Golden. And I apply this generously over my whole face, up my nose, my forehead, everywhere. My cheeks, my chin. And blend that out with the same beauty blender. And I just love this foundation. I love it. I'm gonna have to go into Ulta or the beauty supply store and pick up more foundations because I feel like I always bounce between the only two that I have, the MAC and the Clinique. And while they're both fabulous foundations and they match me great, I feel like I have to build up the amount of foundations I have just so I could have more versatility in my looks and in my tutorials and not just use the same thing over and over again. I want to continue to give you guys different looks with different products. A range, you know? Can no? So I'm still blending out that foundation. I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in the color Espresso. And I'm using that to contour the hollows of my cheeks, fishy face, my nose, my forehead. I'm not doing my jawline today. I'm taking this brush that I got in a set from Forever 21. And I like to brush it with the brush first and then go over it with my beauty blender or my makeup sponge. It doesn't have to be a beauty blender. That's just what I'm using today. Now there I am with my beauty blender, blending it out even more for, this just gives me like a flawless finish to me. Now I'm taking my MAC Skin Mineralized finish in medium dark, and I'm putting it around my laugh lines, carving out my contour with it, up under my eyes so they don't crease, the bridge of my nose, and taking a Bare Essentials flawless face brush and brushing away the excess. I don't know why I keep getting tongue tied. Maybe that'll help. I'm taking my NYX Highlight and Contour Pro Palette, and I'm using the colors Tan and Hollow to set the contour just because it's a cream contour and I don't want it to get all runny and creasy and greasy and a mess. Now I didn't contour my jawline, but I did go over it with some powder. Now I'm going into my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Black Bean, and I'm putting that in the waterline. Be careful with this step, you guys. I was trying to do this and I stabbed myself in the eye. I had to cut that clip out. Just be careful with anything around your eye in general. Now I'm going back into Face of the Day. And I'm putting that on my under eye area. Now this is my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in Molten. And I'm taking some Mario Badescu powder and a very tiny brush I got from E.L.F. I don't even know what this brush is for, but I use this for my inner corner. And I just sprayed it with the Mario Badescu because I felt like that would make it stick more and make it more pigmented. I put that on the inner corner, and then I put some on my brow bone for a highlight there, and I just blend it out with my finger so it's not too harsh. And I put 2 coats of my Wet n Wild Lash Renegade mascara on my bottom lashes. Just readjust that lash. I do not want that lash to come off. Hey DJ, back to your room. And I'm taking my E.L.F. highlighting brush and I'm going back into that Molten, and I'm using that to highlight the high points of my cheeks. The bridge of my nose, the little button on my nose. And my Cupid's bow. I'm taking my Ruby Kisses lip liner in the color dark brown. And one thing I can say about these cotton balls I got from Walmart, I don't like them compared to the ones I got from Target, because even though the ones from Target are more expensive and you get less, you see I'm picking cotton off my lip in that last clip. I don't like that. I don't have to worry about doing that with the ones I got from Target. So after I'm done with this bag from Walmart, I won't be buying any more from Walmart just for that. But I'm taking my Ruby Kisses lip liner in dark brown and lining my lips. Now I'm taking my E.L.F. lip lacquer in the color clear. My NYX butter gloss and fortune cookie. And I do that so I don't get any lip gloss or lip product on my teeth. I'm just adding some hoops. I don't think I set this on camera. I think I forgot to set it on camera, and then when I did put setting spray on, I think I had already turned my camera off. But this is the end of the video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel. As always, thank you guys for watching. Ignore me playing with my hair. I love you. Ready to blow me down.